Hi! In front of me is ESSENTIELB HeYou 60 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply live colorful wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Firstly, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and type Magic Fluids. Then you need to download this free app from this developer and open it. After that, click on the three lines at the bottom right corner, select Settings and click on I accept. Now you can customize your wallpaper however you want to. Then click at the top right corner and bottom one again, but this time click on Set Live Wallpaper, choose Set As and pick one of the options by deciding if you want to apply it to home screen or home screen and lock screen. So now when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!